In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add company logo in QuickBooks Online. Adding your logo is a quick win for polished professional documents. It helps your invoices, estimates, and reports feel on brand and instantly recognizable to your customers. Start by heading to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and clicking the gear icon. That's the settings gear, and it's where you control most company-level preferences. If you're working in a shared account, make sure you have the right permissions to adjust company settings, since logo changes apply for everyone who uses the account. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This area is your control center for company details and appearance. Give the page a moment to load. You'll see your company information and, near the top of that section, a logo area. If a logo is already in place, you'll see a preview. If not, you'll see a placeholder inviting you to add one. Click the logo there to change it. This opens a prompt to upload your own company logo. Select a clean, high-quality image from your computer. PNG or JPG files usually work best. For the sharpest results, use a clear version with a simple background. Ideally, a square or near square shape so it fits neatly on forms. If your logo includes small text, choose a higher resolution file to keep it crisp. After you select your file, QuickBooks will show a preview so you can confirm it looks right. If something appears off, maybe it's cropped too tightly or looks pixelated, cancel the upload, choose a larger or cleaner image, and try again. Keep file size reasonable so it uploads quickly, and avoid busy backgrounds that can distract from your branding. Once your logo is uploaded, QuickBooks applies it to your forms. That means when you create invoices, reports, or other documents, your logo will automatically appear. You won't need to add it each time. If you open a new invoice afterward, you should see your logo in the header. If you don't see it immediately, a quick browser refresh usually brings it in. A few quick tips to finish. Maintain consistent branding by using the same logo version across your website and emails. Leave a bit of white space around the edges so it doesn't look cramped, and keep a backup copy of the file in a safe place. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and a nice touch that elevates your business's look and feel.